Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the seismic shifts happening in the global construction industry right now. If you're looking for the next big investment opportunity, strap in, because today we're diving into the building blocks of future profits, literally. The construction markets across the United States, Europe, South Korea, China, and Japan are bursting with developments, and these trends could make or break your portfolio. Let's kick things off in the United States, where the skies aren't looking quite so sunny. Construction growth is crawling at 1.5%, well below the national average, and job gains are being overshadowed by a stubborn 4.6% unemployment rate. But don't write it off just yet. Renovation and remodeling are heating up, rising 3.8% as aging houses dominate the market. Smart investors will watch for renovation-focused companies as an angle to capitalize on this wave. Heading across the Atlantic to Europe, it's an entirely different game. Construction output in the EU jumped 2.7% year-on-year, fueled by the region's laser focus on green upgrades and energy efficiency. Renovation activity here, up 5.2%. Yes, you heard that right. The continent's mission to greenify its infrastructure is driving a mini-boom. If sustainability is the North Star of investing, Europe's your golden goose. But wait, South Korea just might steal the spotlight. Construction orders leapt 3.5% last December, and consumers are shelling out 4.7% more on fresh, trendy interiors. This market is all about chic, modern upgrades. Investors, interior design companies are thriving here. But don't forget to take note, South Korea is also outperforming on employment, with a construction unemployment rate of just 3.8%. Their workforce is growing and ready to deliver. Now China is bending the curve, as always. Construction output soared 4.5% last quarter, and urban regeneration projects? Take a deep breath, those are up a staggering 6.3%. With a stable unemployment rate at 5.2%, the sector seems ironclad. Infrastructure and urban renewal are buzzwords worth clinging to here. Big bet. Companies involved in citywide makeovers stand to win big in this space. Lastly, Japan. What a dark horse. Major construction orders are climbing, rising 2.1% in November alone. But the real winners here are firms tied to the renovation and quake-proofing sectors, both swelling at nearly 4%. Japan has a ticking time bomb of aging structures, and they're racing to upgrade. The takeaway? This is a market primed for companies leading in structural safety and redesign. Zooming out, here are the megatrends shaping construction globally. First, sustainability is driving profits. Everything from green materials to energy-efficient designs is taking center stage. Second, modular construction and high-tech solutions like 3D printing and AI are turning traditional timelines on their heads. And yes, the industry's biggest pain points, manpower shortages and volatile material prices, are still looming. Investors who back tech-forward firms tackling these challenges? You're looking at serious long-term rewards. So, what's the verdict? The global construction market is charged with potential. Whether it's Europe's green revolution, China's urban revitalization, or South Korea and Japan's design booms, opportunities are everywhere. But tread carefully. Understanding the nuances of each region is critical if you're planning to build a solid strategy. That's it for today, listeners. If this stirred up some ideas, good, that's the goal. Remember, success isn't about watching the market, it's about acting ahead of it. Stay tuned for more insights next time on what's shaping the industries that shape our world. Until then, happy investing.